Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's again on your best, and you're welcome to on your best beauty Patente B. Hope you guys are doing beautiful. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope your day has not been stressful. Welcome to my channel. You're highly welcome, especially for the newcomers, the old comers too. Now just be the best people who I don't meet so far for this YouTube. In fact, you're making it easier for me. You know why? Because anytime I drop a video, you choose this channel to take learn. It is very important. And I hope and I pray that very soon everybody will just get in patente and we will rest come up for this whole hustle. We will come up for the whole stress. It's not just the easy. Thank you very much for choosing this channel. I really appreciate it. But as you say, they watch, make sure they share them to your family, your friends, even your enemies. Yeah, may they come collect the patente too. We're not bad rich like that now. We know how to reach like that. So let us share it. Let them come. Let them come and see what we are passing through in those days. Okay, guys, let us jump right into this video because it is important that we finish up this Segnale Di Precedenza. I'll be bringing more videos based on it. It is not yet over. Once it is over, okay, then we'll move to another chapter. For now, we are still battling with Segnale Di Precedenza. Let us jump into the video. Now, number one on my list where I get now, Diritto Di Precedenza. What is Diritto Di Precedenza? It means say right of way. So meaning say on seeing this particular sign, now you get right of way. I'm going to read through as well, back it up with a picture for you to understand. È un segnale di precedenza, è un segnale di prescrizione in precedenza. Remember, say this segnale di precedenza and also segnale di prescrizione. Remember? Indica l'inizio di una strada urbana o extraurbana in cui I veicoli hanno diritto di precedenza. Now, this one indicates the beginning of a city and outside of the city, whereby the vehicle where they see the sign, they get right of way, they have right of way. Può essere ripetuto in formato piccolo prima e dopo ogni incrocio. Now, this sign can be repeated piccolo piccolo, small small, before a junction, after a junction. See, they announce to you, say, your right of way is still continue. Anche integrato da pannello andamento della strada. Now, I'm going to go to this photograph here, this picture, and try to see what I can chip in. Now, this one, now, Diritto di Precedenza, when you see I'm testing, now you get right of way, just enjoy the go. Just they carry the go. Now you get right of way, right? Now you're going to see it with another panello andamento, this one underneath it, telling you just like a survey of how the road is. Telling you the trend of the road, the survey. Yeah. Now I'm going to go back to the reading based on Diritto di Precedenza, based on Diritto di Precedenza. Now, in presenza di segnale raffigurato, bisogna comunque dare la precedenza ai veicoli che hanno in funzione il lampeggiante blu e serena. Now, when you see this sign, remember saying that you get right of way, right? But you need to still slow down, give precedence to vehicle where get siren and their blue light, they blink. Example, polizia. Example, vigilante de fuoco. Example, ambulância. At all times, give them right of way. Even though now you get right of way, allow them to go. Now, emergency situation. That is why they're siren day on and their lights they function, they blink. Bisogna comunque moderare la velocità in prossimità dell'incrocio e assicurarsi che I veicoli provenienti da strada laterale diano la precedenza. Now, you still need to moderate your speed when you're there for a junction. When you're there in the proximity, or if you're there close to a junction, around the junction, you need to do what? Moderate your speed and make sure say vehicles when they come by the side of the road, they give you your right of way. So not just say because I get right of way, you keep moving without looking if these people are actually giving you this right of way. You go cause accidents. And when you cause accident, guess what? You go shop inside the national kick. You go share. So be careful. Now you get right of way. Nobody they drag them. But make sure say those people, then they in their right mind that they give you the right of way, because we are all humans, like I always say. The feet don't forget. The feet don't know. And you go cause accident. Boom. Small time, they'll call you to come and pay, because you should make sure that these people are giving you a right of way before you move. So as you're moving, Slow down, slow down. Okay, I'll keep on reading. If there's any need, I'm going to go back to that picture. Non è vero che è posto esclusivamente su strade ad intenso traffico. You know that you said they post them only for outside the city we get intense traffic. You know the truth. Only. Ok, si ha la precedenza fino all'uscita di 100 abitato. And it's not true that you still have right of way till you come out of the city. Meaning that on saying this side, now you just they drive, they go, you take them out of the city. It's not true. Ok, è posto solo su strada statale. And it's also not true that it's being posted on only state roads. This sign, be careful. Now you get right of way, good and fine, but still, when you get close to the junction, slow down and make sure say these people, then they obey the rules we consign precedence, giving you your own right of way. Now, when you go further after seeing this sign, when you keep going further, you're going to see another one where they tell you, say, you don't enjoy. Fine the Diritto Di Precedenza. Now, at the end of this right of way for you, you don't enjoy. Slow down and give precedence to who precedence belongs to. Then we're going to read through it, okay? Then I will explain. È un segnale di prescrizione precedenza. Always, I remember you. Say segnale di precedenza and also segnale di prescrizione. Whichever way it comes, it is vero. Indica la fine di una strada urbana o extraurbana in cui I veicoli hanno diritto di precedenza. Now, this one, they tell you the end of city and outside the city where these vehicles, they have the right of way. Now, before, you have the right of way. But when it's being crossed with a black stripe, just like this, they tell you, say, my guy, you don't enjoy, calm down. From now on, no, you have to obey the rules of precedence. Quindi, dopo I segnali, bisogna di norma dare la precedenza ai veicoli provenienti da destra. Meaning, say, after the sign, you need to give what precedence to vehicles that is coming from the right. You need to obey the precedence sign now. Okay, let's keep reading. A meno che si via un segnale dare precedenza o fermarsi e dare la precedenza. Stop. Unless there is a signal dare precedenza, give precedence, or stop and give precedence, which is that signal the stop. That is engaging the right of way to those people waiting for the left. Do you understand? Except on the presence of this sign, you have to give precedence to vehicles coming from the right. Obey the rules we consider precedence after the sign. Okay, your previous one we enjoy, you don't finish. And that's why they cross out with black, so tell you say at the end. I'm reading still on fine di Diritto di Precedenza. Il segnale ci indica di procedere con maggiore prudenza perché non si ha più il diritto di precedenza. Now this sign indicates to proceed with high caution because it not be used to get right of way again. It is still repeating it and I expect you to understand now. So if you don't understand, I'm going to show you difference later when I'm done reading, okay? Non è vero che obbliga ad arrestarsi all'incrocio, salvo visti il segnale stop, che preannuncia la fine di obbligo. Now, in order to say it oblige you to stop, this sign, they tell you, say stop at a junction, unless they signal the stop. It does not impose you to do that. Che preannuncia la fine di obbligo. That tells you that this is not the end of the obbligo sign. Okay, let me keep reading. Let me read through. Che preannuncia la fine di obbligo precedentemente imposto, il diritto di precedenza. So, where they tell you, say, this is not the end of the obbligo that was previously imposed on you, diritto di precedenza, it is not true. Because this sign not be signed the obbligo. This sign, it is not signaling the obbligo. So when you see for quiz, say it is not. It is the end of the obbligo sign where they set for you before. It is not true. They might ask you, say this one, fine, is the end of this one that was being imposed on you. The obbligo, no, it is not obbligo. It is precedenza sign. So that's what it's telling you. I'm sorry, I'm bringing this picture so that you understand it. Let me go back to what we were reading. Okay. Non è un segnale di obbligo, yes, it not be segnale di obbligo, na segnale di precedenza. So in order to say at the end of the obbligo sign, where they imposed on you, diritto di precedenza, meaning say you dey obliged. Now, no, it is not segnale di obbligo, it is segnale di precedenza. It is segnale di precedenza, not obbligo. So it is not true. Che preannuncia sempre un incrocio con precedenza destra. And it's also not true that it announces to you a junction with the right of way always. It is not true. Not be this one they announce to you always a junction with right of way. No. This sign just tell you, see, from this sign, on seeing it, let me go to the picture again so that as I talk, it go to enter. On seeing this one, immediately after seeing it, now you get right of way. Immediately after seeing this one, your right of way don't end. Give precedence and follow the norm, the rules of precedence, dopo questo. But this one, after this one, now you get right of way. Just they go. Only give precedence to police, ambulance, vigilante focal, where their siren they on. Give precedence to these people. And of course, slow down when you did the junction. Make sure say the people where they come out from the side of the road, then they give you your precedence so that accidents no go occur. Okay, I believe you understand what these two diagram is saying, beginning and the end. Thank you guys for watching. If you watched up to this moment and you've not subscribed, please, I beg you, as you're leaving this video now, go and subscribe. It's very important. And of course, turn that bell on. Anytime I post a video, you'll be the first to know. You know why? Because it is very, very important not to miss any of these videos. Then get connection so that you understand better. Before even jumping to general quizzes, you should know the basics. So I drop videos here. I swear I also do some classes on WhatsApp. So if you're interested in the classes, my number on the screen, just call up. I'll put in the classes where we hasten it up, not like I'm dropping once here in YouTube, because no chance really. It's not my fault actually. Running this one, running that one, not just the easy. So most times I focus on the classes, okay, but I try my best as well now to post videos here so that YouTube will they follow. Especially when you don't have time to join the classes. Also, I also have books that I recommend for those people who don't get chance to the book phone, or maybe when you carry the phone, TikTok will enter your mind, or you carry the phone, Facebook will enter your mind. Don't worry, it is not a barrier. Take the book, read it. The link to getting the book is in the description box. Okay, whatever languages, be it in French, be it in China, Arab, whatever it is, you're gonna see it in the book. Okay, we also have it in English as well. So that's when you read, you're going to take your time to read. You know, they're easy, but as you're reading Italian, of course, English they there too for the book. You're going to see them in English. You're going to make them the understandable for you. Don't say you cannot hold phone because of the light is obviously no. This time, no excuse. Everybody they get the patente. No excuse whatsoever. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Very important. Bye.